What is up, my crew? It's me, Treasure, and today we're going to be doing Rating My Fidgets. And I just went to Dollar General and got 2 new slimes. So, Slimy Slush. Let's try it. Oh my god. This is very hard to open because I just opened it. Wow. Guys, this stuff is sticky. Kind of looks like that stuff that you get out of Bendy. It feels nice. Does it stick to floor? I mean, oh my god, guys, look, it's spreading. It's like that stuff that Venom has. I rated 6 out of 10. Because I like it, but it's just very slimy. And if you accidentally get on yourself, it would sting your clothes. But look how cool it is. Ah! So, yeah. 6 out of 10, but very fun to play with. Also, guys, this was my first ever video. 7 months ago, that was my first ever video. So, yeah. Guys, this is very fun, though. And Dollar General sells a lot of cool stuff. Now, next, some Guzuka slime. This slime looks really pretty, so let's open it. Come, let's open. Wow. So, yes. Oh my god, I got some of that black stuff on my forehead. Cup. I really love the color. It's really pretty. And it sounds really good. Listen, but be quiet. I definitely rate this 10 out of 10. There we go. Yeah, guys, this is 10 out of 10. It's so pretty. Try. I'm gonna get a lot of big buckets of this slime and unbox them on my YouTube channel. Cause if I get some this, opening up this blue slime, then I'll definitely post a lot. Opening up toys and slime and fidgets. So a 10 out of 10, at least what I rated, because that's really good. This stuffed animal, since you can flip it and stuff and like fidget with it. Since it's like kind of boring and not as fun, I would give it at least 5 out of 10. Sorry, Crystal Blue, but you're just not that fun to play with. You're more of like a decoration. Here's a frog puppet. I wonder how it is. Pretty good. This is the silent side, by the way. Okay. It's the loud side. Nice, nice. Guys, that's a pretty nice puppet. I'm giving it an 8 out of 10. Not because, like, I just want to give it an 8 out of 10. So, yeah. That's a really good puppet, by the way. And now, a mini pop tube. I'm pretty sure 6 out of 10, definitely. It's also really fun to fidget with. You can like twist it, you can connect it. You can do a lot of stuff with a tiny pop tube, especially a tiny pop tube. It's really fun to stretch and makes nice noises. So that's a 5 out of 10. Connect. Wow. Right from the air. Got a big blue pop tube. And they're both the same. Can't believe. That is so loud. Ah, this one ran away from me. This is, oh yeah, by the way, they're both 10 out of 10 because they're also very fun to play with, especially if they're big. I can make them like a cool thing, like twist it. So yeah, 10. Let me grab from my fidget box. Monkey noodles. I'd give it at least a 4 out of 10 because this is all of them 4 out of 10. So 2, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So all of these like plus is 12. So I guess they got 12 since I'm adding them up together since they were a bunch. Next, butterfly dimple. Nice, popped pretty good. And it's my favorite color. Blue is my favorite color. And it's a butterfly and it has a lot of stuff you can pop on it. So I rate it 8 out of 10. Next, squishy ball, 10 out of 10. Doy. I like how I'm saying doy, but 10 out of 10 definitely is the best. And I like the squish. And these things I like to like whoop, whoop, whoop. I like to do that. Yeah. It came back to me. Closing my eyes. A poppet bracelet. It's a tie-dye with purple, blue, and white. Nice. I love puppet bracelets, but some people just don't get what they are or how to play with them, but yeah. I would give it a 6 out of 10. Next to a little sloth toy. It's not a sloth toy, but it's a fidget. It has sand inside of it. Feels so good. So even if it's small things get good ratings. So 10 out of 10 because I love it. It's so squishy. Love how I squish it inside. And it's a sloth. So yeah. Uh-oh. Big pop too. Okay. This is too big. It's very loud and it kind of hurts to put in because you get kind of snapped. So I'd say it's a 5 out of 10. Yeah. So let's see. I got a golden fish spinner. Let's try it. It's been pretty good, actually. Not bad. spinner. Drop test. Very strong. Spins very good, and it's pretty when it spins. And it has these like little gaps. I had to give this a 10 out of 10 because it's cool and fun. So yeah. Among Us tie-dye puppet. That's green, black, and yellow. So let's try. Pretty good. This is the quiet side, by the way. Pretty good so far. Okay, next. Yes, this is a 5 out of 10. Yeah, 5 out of 10. I'm sorry, Among Us Puppet. You're good and all, but kind of hard to pop a little. So, yeah. Oh, a 9-nimble fidget spinner. Let's spin. Spin test. Pretty good, pretty good. And pop is a little hard to pop though. They're really, really small. But let's try to spin. Spin's good though. Pop's good, let's see. I'm gonna give it a 6 out of 10. I love the spinning, and it's really cool when it spins, but they at least should make these a little bit bigger, the little pop holes. And I really love the sound, but I'm sorry, Fidget Dimple 9-dimple spinner. You're getting a 6 out of 10. And that just went fine. Ooh, this. It's in a bag. You squeeze it. Fun. Very fun. Doesn't look fun, but here. And it's very fun to squish. It's very cold. I gave it a 3 out of 10. Just because it's fine, but I can't take out the thing because it was very slimy. So, flip it. Purple duck puppet. So let's try.